Overview for Mana USDT. Trading style, spot. Time frame, midterm. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, 1 to 2 months between TPs. Entry, consider entering after a pullback. Entry point, 0.5508 to 0.5900. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.6915. Target 2, 0.8074. Target 3, 0.9223. Target 4, 1.0168. Target 5, 1.1124. Stop loss. Stop level, 0.3710. Trailing stop. Move your stop loss to your entry or previous take profit after reaching any take profit. Risk management. Allocate 2 to 3% of your investment for spot trading. Disclaimer. This information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Please consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions.